Good evening, everyone, all over the world. People from Nigeria, America, Europe, Asia, everywhere around the world. I'm added by name. Before we go, please subscribe. Added music. People have been asking me about how I got the sound. I mean the previous sound. So now I'm going to explain how I mixed my sound together. So let's go. So this is Nox pedal, Nox MG100, Nox MG100, and uh, I save it as Volcano, but Buckethead actually use this sound. So I'm going to explain how I arrived at my sound. So I'm going to press the edit. So the first compress scene so I off my compressor. So I'm using a phaser and my rate, I don't know if you can get it, the brightness is too much. Okay, my rates, my depths. So moving to the amp, I use the ATS 800. So you can see my gain, my press and my volume. So then this is my out. I'm using erect 4x12. You can see my bars, my mid and my high. So this is my equalizer. Can you see it's have, can you see it there? So moving to my noise gates, then my modulator is off. Then the delay, I love to use analog delay, I prefer it to digital. Then my reverb, I'm using a plate reverb. So that is how I got my sound. Then save. So saved. So thank thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank